How to fix Google Assistant not responding to voice on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, simply scroll down and click on Google. After you click on Google, click on All Services. Scroll down and click on Search Assistant and Voice. Here, click on Google Assistant. And if your Google Assistant is not responding, click on Voice Match. Now make sure Hey Google is turned on. Make sure the circle is on the right side. If not, turn it on. Another thing what you can do is click on Retrain Voice Match Model. In here, do as it says and retrain the voice model. After you do this, make sure your microphone permissions is turned on as well. Make sure there's nothing blocking the mic. And this is how to fix Google Assistant not responding to voice on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.